welcome back to Rubric Scorer. This video will cover a couple other features. If you'd like to see the statistics for a rubric for an entire class, tap on the More options to the right of the rubric name and select Statistics. Here you'll get a graph of the relative percentages of the different scores that fit into the ranges there. You'll also get an average of the different categories. That's the different rows that you have there. And then lastly, you'll get a overview of student scores there in the class. So real quickly, you can just kind of see how students are doing and maybe pinpoint which areas that they excel in or are struggling with. You also have the option to export this data. If you tap on the share button at the top, you can export it in CSV format, which is great for spreadsheets. You can also generate a PDF file and then save that and share it to yourself. So that makes that part easy. Also, if you do have quite a few rubrics you store for students, you can get a summary of one student's grades for all their rubrics in the class. Tap on the More options to the right of the student name and select Student Summary. And you'll see here it'll list each rubric and the grades for the student. And also, if you do end up wanting to keep a tally of the cumulative points, there's the option for that at the bottom. So you can see the total points now add up to 11 out of 16. You can tap on the settings icon and turn that off if you don't use the cumulative points. And again, there's the PDF option at the top there. There's also the option under the rubrics options there to generate an ungraded PDF. And this will give you a basic PDF that doesn't have any grades. If you want to share that with students or other teachers, or just have a copy somewhere, that's an easy way to do that. And then, yeah, I think that covers really most of all the options here. There is the option to generate under the class. You can view all the students in one PDF. So if you want to save a combined PDF of all the students in the class, you can generate that at one time right away. And then there's also the option to email all students or all the guardians. If you want to send an email to the whole class, it's much faster doing it that way than doing it one at a time. And you need to enable the bulk email options in the settings. All right. There is also the option, the sort icon at the top there, that you sort students by first name, last name, by rubric grade, or random order. And that just means then when you tap on a student name, the order that they appear in there is based on the order that you've sorted there. All right. Thank you and enjoy the app.